Today, guys, we are going to be letting my opponent choose the map today. So whenever I do 1v1s, I have to agree the map they pick. So if they pick Splash, I have to pick Splash. If they pick Construction, I pick Construction. I hope it's not Backrooms or Oxy, bro. I hate Oxy and Backrooms. Okay, already know. He's a level 82. That's in a controller. Not bad. Battle Axe. So I'm gonna throw the Molotov here. How am I missing the shots? Far out. Oh, far out. Okay, I see you. He's controller, bro. He's only on controller. If happily ever after did exist, I would be. How am I missing my shots? Battle Axe time. Never mind. I hit him for 50. Yeah, we have to go try, guys. I'm gonna switch to Bus Rifle. Bus Rifle's actually good though. Uzi. Wait, let's go knife and freeze ray, bro. Let's control him. For a sec, I thought he was. Oh no, I failed. Guys. I failed. Don't. By the way, guys, I'm not a pay to win. I'm a free to play. GG's. Purple and pink's color. Mostly, I see everyone have the Venom wrap, and I don't know what's good about it. It's a quest for your daggers. So if you see someone with like a pink and purple wrap, that's like the Venom wrap, that means they have the daggers. Let's go. We need to try the freeze ray, and we should freeze ray him and then knife him. That's my trick. That's what I do. Okay, freeze ray him, please. Okay, there we go. Oh no! Oh my god! Wait. Yeah. Oh my god, we're only gonna do 3 games, alright? We're gonna only do 3 games. Oh snap. I lost, guys. I failed again. Oh my god. I just lost. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. What, bro? How did he get a 6-win streak? I should be starting to play controller now. I do play controller sometimes, but it's hard. What map are you picking, bud? What? Tags, bro. Tags. Butters. Hey, yo, butter. What do you mean, butter? Butter mean? Okay, he also has a ball. Don't worry, man. I won't be holding you like this. Nah, he actually so good too. What is that? Is that golden muff for his fist? It kind of look like it. Okay, okay, I see you. I see you. Go stop there. Happily ever after today, I will be holding you like this. How? Bro, how? How much damage does fist even do? Mostly I've seen people use fist. Where is he now? Now be holding like this. Let's go 5-2. GG's. Okay, this is my last round, guys. Guys, you should predict if I'm gonna win or lose. What do you think? Am I gonna win or lose? Okay, let's see if he's hacking. McDonald's. I like eating McDonald's too, but like your avatar, bud. What am I choosing? Arena also. Bro, this should be choosing arena. Let's go, brother. Let's go. What do you say? What do you say? Auto, another auto shooter. Bro, it's not my fault. It's like it's the developers that made it, bro. And the owners, like, honestly, why do you make auto shooters? That's so unfair for computer players. Bro, really pull up the katana because he thinks I'm gonna get a headshot. But that's only 50-50 if I get a headshot. That's only 50-50. Guys, I think I'm gonna lose. He has trip mine, bro. You can't be auto shoot when you're literally paid to win. No. That's so unfair. Bro, katana user. I'm recording, by the way, boy. So get on my way. And he has medkit too. Guys, I might think I'm gonna lose. Yeah, I thought he was gonna pull up the katana. Nah. Okay, you want burst rifle time then? I got new task. Dad, get that. Yeah. Not bad, bro. It's just like the daggers are so OP. And you call me bad, and you literally paid to win using trip mine and make it. huh? No one really wants to play. What was pay to win? I swear. He's calling me bad? How am I pay to win, guys?
What? Easy. How?
Okay, bro. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm just gonna finish my talks and do it.
If you guys like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
But yeah, I'm just gonna chill with my guy here. And see you later, guys. Bye-bye.